Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best table saw accessories that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Table Saw Accessories. When you have a power tool, then you would need to have the right accessories to make use of the tool. This is true with the best table saw, as it needs to have accessories that work as helpers to produce quality cuts. Whether you are an expert or a beginner, you will need to understand what each part of the table saw so that you can enhance your safety while producing quality cuts. Number 5. Firecolor Woodworking Milling Table Tool. Then push the wood through the bench planer table saw, rather planer table, bench woodworking. The straight push rod provides additional control for narrow parts. Main features. Support practical push rod. 0.37 inch wide. Long push handle. Number 4. Fafeicy 5 pieces safety woodworking push block table saw. The woodworking push block can prevent kickback and protect hands and fingers from sharp cutting blades. Push block stick set contains 2x push blocks. Main features. Durable plastic design. Ensures high visibility. Widely used. Number 3. Table Saw Slot Adjuster Mortise and Tenon Tool. The saw slot regulator can simply measure the saw slot, thus making it easy to slot and cut. Its speed and accuracy are impressive. Fine workmanship, wear resistant and practical. Main features. Special design. Wide range of use. High quality. Number 2. MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER GRR-RIPPER Gravity Heel Kit. Bandsaw smoother, safer and more controlled cuts on the bandsaw will be second nature with the adjustability of the gravity heel. Main features. Auto retracting technology. Made in the USA. Increased control and stability. Number 1. GRR-RIP Block Smart Hook Push Block for Router Table. GRR-RIP block is the smart choice for safety. Harness the ultimate gripping power of the only push block with smart heel hooks that know where to grab your workpiece. Main features. Auto retracting heel technology. Ergonomic handle. 90-degree flip guide. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.